Did you know that swimming isn't just a fun activity, but also one of the most powerful ways to transform your body and mind? From reshaping your physique to boosting your mental health, swimming is packed with insane benefits that you've probably never even heard of. Stick around, because today, we're diving deep into the craziest benefits of swimming, and trust me, you don't want to miss number 5. It might just blow your mind. Let's jump right in. 1. Full body workout like no other. Swimming is like a workout for every single muscle in your body, and here's why. Unlike running, which focuses primarily on your legs, or lifting weights, which targets specific muscles, swimming engages all your muscle groups at once. When you glide through the water, your arms are pulling, your core is stabilizing, and your legs are kicking. Even your neck muscles get a workout. What's crazier is that swimming doesn't just tone your muscles, it strengthens them without putting stress on your joints. Have you ever heard of a workout where you can burn 500 calories in an hour while feeling almost weightless? Swimming makes that possible. And here's the wild part: studies show that people who swim regularly have greater overall muscle tone than those who stick to traditional gym routines. So, if you've been looking for an excuse to skip the treadmill, swimming's your perfect alibi. 2. The ultimate calorie burner without the sweat. Picture this. You're in the middle of a pool, your heart rate is up, your body is moving, and you're burning a ton of calories, but guess what? You're not even sweating. Swimming is one of the most efficient ways to burn calories, and it's perfect for people who hate the sticky feeling of a sweaty workout. Depending on your stroke and intensity, you can burn anywhere between 400 to 700 calories per hour. What's even crazier? Swimming in cold water forces your body to work harder to stay warm, which can boost calorie burn by up to 30%. Yes, you're burning calories just by being in the water. So, if weight loss is your goal, swimming isn't just effective, it's enjoyable and sustainable. Plus, there's no wear and tear on your joints like running, which means you can keep doing it for years without worrying about injuries. 3. Supercharges your lungs and breathing capacity. If you've ever swum a lap, you know how hard it can be to breathe in between strokes. But here's the thing, that's actually one of swimming's biggest hidden benefits. When you swim, you train your lungs to hold more oxygen and work more efficiently. Over time, this leads to better lung capacity and stronger respiratory muscles. In fact, professional swimmers often have lungs that are 20% larger than the average person's. Here's a fun fact: even if you've never exercised before, swimming can significantly improve your stamina and help you breathe better during other activities, like walking upstairs or running after your kids. It's no wonder swimming is often recommended for people with asthma or other breathing issues. It's literally a workout for your lungs. 4. The ultimate stress buster and mental rejuvenator. Imagine this. You're floating in water, the world goes silent, and for a moment, it's just you and your thoughts. Swimming doesn't just work wonders for your body, it's a therapy session for your mind. The rhythmic movement of swimming, combined with the soothing sensation of water, can lower your cortisol levels, aka the stress hormone. Plus, swimming stimulates the release of endorphins, your body's natural mood boosters. Think about it. When was the last time you truly felt weightless, calm, and free? Swimming offers that every single time you step into the water. What's crazier is that studies have shown swimming can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression by up to 70%. Whether it's the calming effect of water or the sense of accomplishment after finishing laps, swimming is like hitting a mental reset button. 5. Slows down aging like nothing else. Want to feel younger? Start swimming. Research reveals that regular swimming can delay the aging process by improving cardiovascular health, enhancing muscle strength, and even increasing bone density. In fact, A study from Indiana University found that swimmers in their 70s had physical and mental health comparable to people in their 40s. Crazy, right? Here's something even more fascinating. Swimming increases the production of human growth hormone, HGH, which helps your skin stay youthful and your body stay agile. It's like nature's anti-aging remedy. So, if you want to feel and look younger, the fountain of youth might just be your local pool. 6. Boosts heart health and blood circulation. Swimming is like cardio on steroids, but in a good way. Each time you swim, you're giving your heart an incredible workout. Swimming improves blood circulation, lowers blood pressure, and strengthens your heart muscle. It's even been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 50%. Here's the kicker: swimming horizontally in water puts less strain on your heart compared to running or cycling. That's because water supports your body, making it easier for your heart to pump blood throughout. This makes swimming a fantastic choice for people of all ages, including those recovering from heart conditions. 7. Builds endurance and improves overall fitness. Have you ever noticed how swimmers seem to have endless stamina? That's because swimming builds endurance like no other exercise. When you swim regularly, your body adapts by increasing its ability to use oxygen efficiently. This doesn't just help you swim longer, it improves your performance in other physical activities too. Here's a challenge for you. Try swimming non-stop for 10 minutes. If that seems tough now, imagine how incredible it will feel when you build the endurance to swim for 30 minutes or more. So, there you have it, the craziest benefits of swimming. Whether you're looking to tone your body, improve your mental health, or even slow down aging, swimming is the answer. Ready to dive in? Let us know in the comments what excites you most about swimming. And don't forget to hit that like button if you learned something new today. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing health tips and stay tuned for our next video.